All new tonight at 6 o'clock. Residents in the West Grove say they've been the victims of toxic ash from the former Miami trash incinerator for years.
Now they say the city wants to take away a medical monitoring program that helps detect and treat them for illnesses they got from exposure.
CBS 4's Jacqueline Quinn spoke to residents in the Grove as they insist they're standing up for people all over the city of Miami.
He used to have to take off his clothes.
Hollis Gator remembers when his dad, a Miami sanitation worker, used to come home to the house he's still living in now.
Because the stink that came from him, you know, don't go in there.
For almost 50 years, the city of Miami had an incinerator that burned trash in West Grove. It started in 1926 when this part of the area was segregated for black families.
The smokestack today has been turned into a firefighter training facility, but when it was in operation, that plume of smoke would spread all across this area.
What residents didn't know back then was that some of that ash was toxic.
Just imagine being across that foul smell all day, every day.
Thaddeus Scott remembers getting headaches as a young child living in the area. He didn't know what caused it.
A few nieces, right, who and a sister-in-law who's passed from breast cancer.
5 people in this house, 5 different cancers. And don't nobody know nothing?
Gator and Scott are part of a class action lawsuit against the city of Miami. They have been seeking compensation for personal injury, property damages, and medical monitoring. That last part may be the most critical.
I don't have the necessary funds to go see the people that I need to see.
In February, the city asked the District Court of Appeals to reverse its position denying the city's motion to dismiss medical monitoring. The city claims it's immune. We reached out to the city for a response but have yet to hear back.
Medical monitoring is clearly necessary. I mean, just in the past month, we've seen the railroad spill in Palestine, Ohio. We've seen the trash fire in Doral. We've seen the plastic fire in Kissimmee.
Jason Clark with the Downs Law Group is representing the victims.
And again, they are trying to re-victimize this community by getting rid of the one cause of action that is available to them to prevent future harm.
Especially those of us of African descent feel like we're drowning. No one has heard us. In my lifetime, I'm 67. And in my lifetime, no one has heard this community's cry.
13 plaintiffs are named in the lawsuit, but they say they are fighting for hundreds of others who have been affected. In West Grove, I'm Jacqueline Quinn, CBS 4 News.